What is double bottom pattern? A double bottom chart pattern is a bullish reversal chart pattern that is formed after the downtrend. This pattern is formed with two lows below its resistance level, which is also known as the neckline. The first low is formed after a strong downtrend and then the price is retraced back to the neckline. After reaching back to its neckline, the price becomes bearish and falls again to form the second low. The formation of this pattern is completed when the prices move back to the neckline after forming the second low. When the prices break through the neckline or the resistance level, then the bullish trend reversal is confirmed and traders can enter a long position.